Hi everyone, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Tracy.
And welcome back to our channel.
If you didn't know already, this channel is all about how to make amazing things out of everyday materials.
And today, we're going to be making something amazing from this plastic tub.
Okay, so the girls, Ruby and Raylee, made Dreamcatchers recently on their channel, and we have had a few comments asking us to show you how to make them. So that's the reason we chose to do this video.
The main difference between our make will be that we'll only be using this tub.
So we're just using basically one thing, and then obviously accessories to decorate.
So Tracy, what are we going to do?
Let's remake it. So that's the end of our video. We really hope you enjoyed it. Obviously you can make this not just from cream pots but also yogurt pots. Please comment below on what you thought of the video and maybe other ideas for materials we can use.
Thank you so much for all your suggestions. We will try and get around to making everything that you suggest. Some makes do take some time because we do challenge ourselves, and we're trying to be sort of clever and innovative with the things that we make using the packaging that we have.
And please, if you are on Instagram, we are lets.remake.it. Please go and follow us and tag us if you do make any of our makes. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.
Follow government advice, and we'll see you really soon.
Bye.
Bye.